In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Make-A-Pede Arduino library and upload the remote control example program to your robot. To download the library, go to the GitHub repository and click Clone or Download and download zip. Then open the Arduino IDE. To include the library, click Sketch, Include Library, Add Zip Library, and find the zip file you downloaded, and open it. Then open the remote control example program by clicking Examples, Make-A-Pede, Remote Control. With your robot connected to your computer, select the port that it is connected to in Tools, Port. Before you can upload the program, you will need to disconnect the Bluetooth module from your Make-A-Pede. Once you have done this, upload the program to your robot by clicking the Upload button in the upper left-hand corner of the Arduino IDE. After the program finishes downloading, reconnect the Bluetooth module.